all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, we've got a first on the channel. This is my very first blade ever from Willumsen Copenhagen. Now this was BattleBox's Mission 78 Knife of the Month, and from my understanding, that was the very first release of this blade. Now today, we're going to take a look at the Willumsen Copenhagen Chibs. Alright, get you out the way. And man, look at this beautiful blade right here. Now, what they mean by two-tone is the scales. They come in 3 different sets. You're going to get a brown, an olive, or a gray, along with that black. So they just look amazing. I'm really happy I got the brown because that's the one I really wanted. And it was so cool to pick up a BattleBox for the first time in a while and get a really cool folding blade. Alright, let's get into the stats and the... Oh, wait. Sorry. Inside the box, you get a cool little, carrying pack and a patch. So I did like the little mesh bag. I thought that was kind of cool. And the fact that they gave you a spare pocket clip with the stuff to swap it out if you didn't like, well, the chips. So I thought that was kind of neat. Alright, so like I said, let's get into the fun like we usually do here. Get that out the way. Alright, like I said, BattleBox Mission 78 was its first release. Now, it's got an overall length of about 8.5 inches. The blade's about 3.5, which means closed, it's about 5 even. It comes in at an okay weight of about 5.1 ounces. We do have a plain edge with a flat grind, and they call it a machine grind, dark stonewash finish. So I kind of get that with the dark stonewashy through here. How that, the blade even itself is two-toned, itself. The blade steel is that Sandvik 14C steel. We do have a stainless steel frame in there. You guys should be able to see it, no problem. With a liner lock. And yes, this thing is a flipper or a thumb hole open. Now, I'll be honest. It tells me it's a ball bearing pivot when I go looking out there on WilliamsonCopenhagen.com. But I've had some problems getting it popping out all the time. So I pretty much use the thumb hole and, rack it out. Now, we do have a liner lock, which I thought was cool. It had a little bit of the jimping on there. So it helps, when you're holding it, not to mention a little bit of forward jimping right there. So it gives you that good feel in hand. And man, it just... the way it swells up, it gives you that great 2 fingers in the front. It gives you plenty of room in the back. It's a comfortable feel. Like I said, they tell me it does have a ball bearing pivot. We have two-tone textured G10 scales, like I talked about, either brown, olive, or gray. Do have lanyard hole, and when I went out there looking on Willumsen Copenhagen, they say country of origin, PRC, so that's People's Republic of China. Alright, let's do some cut tests with this bad boy. Now, we only usually do 3. Why are we doing these 3? Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why I do these cut tests. Heavy duty stock paper. Oh god, that's sweet. Alright, curly Q. Yeah, that one's on me. Oh well. I usually try to get a curly Q like that. See if I can make it go the whole way, because anybody can just grab a blade and go sharp. You rip it right through. But if you take that blade, maintain that same angle, and cut, slowly right through it, and it should turn back into that curly Q. That way you're going to see there's no pits, chips, anything, bad for your blade. Alright, here we go. Paracord. I know. Some of you go, man, where's the black cord? It's gone. Let's see if this orange does any better. Alright, pull test. A little struggle, but hey, it did go through. And slice. Not as clean, but not bad. Alright, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Oh my god, it didn't even feel like... Yeah! Wow! That was like a hot knife through butter. Alright, as we usually do, we take a look at the blade. You can see some snowfall there. But nothing really bad with the blade, so that's good. Okay, now I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this guy on September 23rd, 2021, and I'm currently filming on September 28th, 2021. Now, I looked on Amazon, WilliumsenCopenhagen.com, and Blade HQ. This is not found on Blade HQ, but other blades by Willumsen Copenhagen in the Chibs line are. On Willumsen Copenhagen, it's 65 VAT, whatever that is. I think it's a Swedish currency, I'm not too sure. Which translates into, as of September 23rd, 2021, $89.50 US. BattleBox currently has it listed as 95 in their little magazine they give you when you get the subscription box. And on Amazon, this just isn't found. So I can see if it's the first release on that BattleBox, I get it, okay? It was not reviewed anywhere that I could see. So, we're at the best part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. Do you think it's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I really like this guy. I've been carrying it daily since I got it. It's seriously going right into my rotation for my EDC blades. So when I get tired of carrying the Sedulo, I'm going to swap it out for this. When I get tired of this, I'm going to swap it out for something else. But this is now currently in the rotation. Now, if at any point during this video I made you laugh, cry, smile, did whatever, please give me a big old thumbs up. Help trigger that algorithm. It's free and it's only going to help the channel. It's going to let you know that YouTube thing just go, hey, somebody out there is liking this. But now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I am eternally grateful that you're choosing my channel. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can get after that. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, I know I'm asking a lot, but it's all free. Take a look right down there. In about a moment or two, you're going to see a big channel symbol pop up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See? One click, easy access, making it easy for you. Now, after you've gone ahead, subscribed, and done all that fun stuff, please beat up that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Willumsen Copenhagen Chibs two-tone. Thank you for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I will see all of you in my very next video.